Hello, my dear students. Today, we will be discussing about globe, class 6, geography. And today's topic will be globe. A globe is a tiny image of a planet that represents every features on the earth. Features like oceans, continent, island, sea, country, etc. This globe is also helpful in many ways. Number one, it helps in understanding how days and nights are caused. And here, I would like to show you how days and night are caused. Here comes the sun. And this is the earth. This is an imaginary line running down from the north to south. This imaginary line is called circle of illumination. Circle of illumination. The circle of illumination is an imaginary line that separates day from night or light from darkness. If you look at the whiteboard, it is clear that one half of the earth is facing the sun and the other half is away from the sun. That means it is in the darkness. The half that is facing the sun has day. Or people living in this area experience day. And the half that is away from the sun has night. We can actually spin a globe to feel the movement of the earth. This globe also helps in understanding how seasons change over a year. Now look at the globe. Okay. If you look at the globe, the poles of the globe are also tilted in the same way or the same manners of those of the earth. And from this, you can understand which part, the north or the south, which part is close to the sun. And there is another imaginary line which is known as equator, which divide the earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. From the equator to the north is known as northern hemisphere. And from the equator to the south is known as the southern hemisphere. When you look at this position of the Earth and the Sun, it is clear that the north or the northern hemisphere is close to the Sun, which means people living in this area or people living in the southern and northern hemisphere has or experience summer, while people living in the southern hemisphere has or experience winter. Like this. Next slide. It is also helpful in determining distance between two places. Thank you. And I would like to give you some assignment. Page 21, exercise A, fill in the blanks. Please do this at home and submit it by next week. Thank you.